Hello, this is Ty Witten, a fourth-year electrical engineering student at UCSD.
Hi, this is Shane Minerman, also fourth-year electrical engineering student at UCSD.
Today's video presentation will be talking about RNG and its impact on gaming experiences to increase player engagement and enjoyment.
To demonstrate our thesis, we'll be taking gameplay and examples from the XCOM franchise.
For some background information, XCOM is a science fiction, turn-based strategy computer game franchise beginning in 1994. We'll be mainly utilizing examples from the franchise's later entries, XCOM Enemy Unknown and XCOM 2, released in 2012 and 2016 respectively. The premise of the game is that aliens have invaded Earth, and the player is tasked with commanding the squad-level tactics and organizational-level logistics of the counter-extraterrestrial organization XCOM against the alien invaders. The series is infamously known for its punishing difficulty and permanent death system, where the player's soldiers killed in combat are permanently lost, which can make continuing the game even more challenging.
XCOM uses a form of RNG called pseudo-RNG. While true RNG is truly random and unpredictable, XCOM's implementation uses a tree of outcomes created at the beginning of each level. In this case, pseudo-RNG is actually preferred to prevent players from cheating, for if the game used true RNG, the player could continuously re-roll events if things don't go their way. While this table of outcomes is utilized for numerous aspects of XCOM's gameplay, we'll just be examining how soldiers firing weapons at enemies is calculated using several layers of RNG.
Each soldier has a random aim statistic within a set of values, with different classes of soldiers having more aim, like snipers, and heavies having less aim on average. When a soldier fires at an enemy alien, their chance to hit the enemy is literally calculated from a series of positive and negative modifiers, such as the soldier's natural aim boosting items like scopes, the quality of cover the enemy is hiding behind, and the distance a shot is fired from.
The total sum of probabilities are then presented to the player as the chance to hit. When the player confirms to take the shot, the outcome is visually represented in the video game. When an enemy is hit, several events may take place, modifying the final damage calculation. First, a number is selected from a table of values that is assigned to each type of weapon. Then, a chance to land a critical hit for extra damage is rolled.
Even if a soldier misses, numerous outcomes could occur besides just having the bullets fly into the air. The bullets could hit the cover the enemy is hiding behind, destroying it, and making follow-up shots more likely to hit. The shot could miss, and hit the gas station pump behind the enemy, resulting in a fire explosion.
Alright, so with all this talk about explaining a game's use of RNG, how does this affect the player's enjoyment of playing XCOM?
That's a good question, Shane. Well, because of the random nature of the game's shot and damage calculations, in the early stages of the game, players will feel very vulnerable and at the mercy of XCOM's infamous RNG. Missing a shot forces a player to dynamically alter and adapt their strategies as the situation on the battlefield changes, and often for the worst. But as the soldiers gain more experience and abilities, players research more advanced weapons, and grow an understanding of the alien menace, players slowly begin to affect the odds in their favor.
The player's sense of progression and power are all derived from having the ability to alter RNG, and thus the battlefield. With their new tools, they can use high ground flanking positions and weapons with higher aim and damage tables to perform their shots with greater consistency. In time and with the right strategies, XCOM RNG ceases to be a source of dread and instead a force for the player enjoyment.